of this function. Our national flag is Tiranga, presented teachers and many parents of this village and silently seated my student friends. Friends, I am going to tell you about a country that the position of freedom. Today, why did we celebrate this function? 15 August, Independence Day. What is an important to this function? Many years ago, our country is British and all the power was at them. Many national heroes became shaheed, such as Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi. We cannot forget them in our life. They had done very good deeds for our country to become free. Therefore, all whole Indians celebrate this function. In all government offices, schools, colleges, Gram Panchayat, etc. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. My name is Vansh Kumar Kamble. Today is special day. A day is joy and proud for our country. Independence Day. First, I wish you all very happy.